Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm in front of you not to motivate. Just I'm stand in front of you for that to tell you about that what language we must speak, what language we must need, what language we need to speak, what language we must love. In camp, everyone is trying to learn English. As I know, English is not important for my community. Yes, of course, you need English. First of all, you have to speak in Burmese language. Burmese language is very important for my community, for everyone. In my community, there are a lot of educated who can speak in Burmese, but they are expert on English. Every student, if you don't love, if a teacher does not love Burmese, how can he teach his student Burmese? And that student will not learn Burmese. You know why? His teacher can't speak in Burmese. So, my humble teacher and my humble student, my respected student, my respected teacher, please stand to teach Burmese. Burmese is very important for us. If we were born in Myanmar, of course, we have to speak in Burmese. Thank you.